Hello and welcome to Chef Adrian's cooking show. We're going to make some yummy gummy bears, which if you're wondering how it relates to science, is it uses very specific measurements and chemicals to turn it from a liquid into a solid. Food science helps us making all sorts of foods and sweets. First, add 3/4 cups of water into a big bowl and put 6 packs of gelatin. The gelatin helps for turning the liquid into a rubbery solid. Stir until it's all mixed up and let it sit for 5 minutes. Second, add a cup of light corn syrup, a cup of granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons of xylitol. Toss it into a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, stirring continuously until the sugar dissolves into the mix. These 3 ingredients will help the gummies be very sweet. Third, remove the mix from the heat and mix in the gelatin until it's melted. Then mix in 2 teaspoons of citric acid. Mix until combined. Citric acid will help the ingredients gel together and add a tart flavor to it. Use a spoon to remove any foam. Fourth, put the sticky goop into as many bowls as you want flavors. I did 3: watermelon, grape, and lime. Put half a teaspoon of flavoring into the mix and 2 to 3 drops of food coloring in each bowl. Fifth, spray a non-stick spray into the mold, and then take a dropper and spoon and drop the stuff into the molds. Six, put the molds in the fridge and have it sit for at least 6 hours or overnight. And you're done. That's how you make some yummy gummy bears with food science. Thanks for watching.